It's Stitch Fix Day. If you want to see what I got in my bundle, then please keep watching. Hi guys, it's Leah. Welcome to my channel. Hope everybody is feeling very well. So today is all about Stitch Fix. So this was a complimentary box sent to me. I don't know if they're watching my videos, but they can see I was a little bit disappointed with the last fix that I got, and they sent this one out free of charge, which I think is a really nice gesture on their part. So fingers crossed this one will be better than the last one. However, I did keep one piece from the last box, so it wasn't a complete disaster. If you don't know what Stitch Fix is, it is a clothing subscription. You are normally sent 5 pieces of clothing. Stitch Fix does do the option of shoes and accessories and things like handbags, jewellery, that kind of thing. I opt out of that because I do find like the accessories and shoes and handbags are quite expensive. You would pay £10, that is called a styling fee. Stylist will pick you 5 items that are supposed to be compatible with your profile. I haven't really had much luck with this service so far. I've never had a 5 out of 5 for Stitch Fix, so fingers crossed this might be the box. Who knows? So what I normally do on these videos, we'll go through what I've got in my bundle, I'll try it all on, and then I'll tell you my thoughts, prices, etc. at the end of the video. Don't forget to look out for that secret giveaway. It could be in this video, and the only way you're going to find out if it's in this video is to watch it all the way through. Okay, so let's have a look and see what I've received this time. So this is a stripy dress, and I actually quite like this. It is very long, so I'm assuming it's a maxi. It's kind of like a t-shirt material. It's very soft. It does have a split in it, which I'm not always so crazy about. Not even sure where that split is, whether it's at the front side or whatever, but yeah, I quite like it. There's a little bit of detail in here on the waist area. So yeah, I look forward to trying that. Short sleeve, round neck. So that's the first piece. Then have a hoodie. This is a front zip hoodie. This is very similar to the material of the one that I bought from the last fix. This has side pockets and the front zip. It's very cozy, very warm feeling. Obviously it's got the hoodie here, and we've got the strings here for it. Quality on this is really nice. I'm expecting this to be quite expensive though. So that's that one. We then have a little t-shirt, which I do like. Again, it's a round neck, like the colour. Material again is nice and soft. So that's that. Quite nice so far. And we have some leggings. That's that, quite stretchy. Just a regular pair of leggings. It's got quite a thick waistband, hopefully hold you in a little bit and give you some shape. They don't look too long either, so very basic. And the last items we have here are, oh, I can already tell you I don't like these very much. These are a pair of jeans. Very boring, very plain. Probably cost about 80 quid, so yeah, I'm not feeling these. I think these are like a straight leg. I find these really quite old-fashioned, and yeah, I'm not feeling them at all. Okie dokie, so that is the unboxing of what clothes I received. So I'm gonna bob some of this on and I'll be back in a minute. See you soon. So the first piece I have on for you is the grey hoodie. This fits in all the right places. It's very warm and it's very soft. It has side pockets here. I'll be honest, I don't like the way this bit here sits. It just looks weird to me. The length is okay. Sleeve length's okay. It's good quality. It feels really nice and warm. I do like the front zipper. So yeah, Not much more I can say about this. I do like it, but how many hoodies can I keep buying? Okay, and then when I take this off, we have the little t-shirt. T-shirt I do like. I like the material and I like the colour. I like the round neck on this. I like the length of the sleeves on this. And there's also detailing of a little tie knot at the side there, which I didn't realise. I would say it fits in all the right places. So yeah, happy with this as well. I don't like the jeans at all. I feel like they are quite frumpy looking. And maybe this is the problem. I should look a little bit more frumpy. I just feel like these jeans are really dated, and I did struggle to get them done up as well. The length is good on them, that's one good thing. As for the colour, there's just nothing going on with them. I don't think Stitch Fix has ever managed to get my jeans right. I'm always saying, can I have a little bit of distressing or a little something going on with them, and they insist on sending me plain, boring jeans. Okay, so next I have tried on the dress for you. So as you can see, it's a round neck. It's nice soft material. I like the length of the sleeves. I even quite like the stripes. Then moving down to the waist area, as you can see, there's some sort of like pattern detail and etc. on the waist. I really like this. It feels quite slimming. That is what's putting me off, is the slit. No, not my bag, I'm afraid. And as for the leggings, my goodness, I couldn't even get them on, so I'm sorry I can't actually show you the leggings. Right, I'm going to take this dress off, we'll sit down, go through pricing and see if there's anything that I'm likely to keep. I'll see you in a minute. Just before I continue the video, don't forget to please subscribe to my channel if you like these kind of videos of unboxings and you like the look of me, and also enter that giveaway if you haven't already entered. And the secret giveaway question is, what is the name of my other subscription box for clothing do I have? If you know the answer, then please email me. The first person who emails me with the correct answer has won the secret giveaway in this video. Use my link, which I'll leave down below. We both get £15 of credit, which is a win-win situation. You also get a sticker. Anything you don't want, pop back in the box, pop the sticker on, send it off. You also receive a styling card and a note from your stylist. This time my stylist is called Grace. And you always get the styling cards, which are handy, but I never use them. And you also get the most important thing, which is the invoice. The first item is by Viramonda. This is called the Lulu short sleeve ankle dress. The colour is black, the size is large, and the cost is £32. I really like this on. I like the quality of the material. It's not too heavy, not too thick. It's quite stretchy. I like the detailing on the waist of this dress. The only thing I didn't really like was the split. It was a little bit too high for me, my preference that is. So maybe if I didn't have the slit there, I might have been tempted as a maybe to keep this. We'll have to see. Secondly was the brand is Thought. These are called the heavy bamboo leggings. The colour's black, the size is 18, and these will cost £29.95. Unfortunately, I couldn't even get these on properly, and because they were quite stretched out, they looked like tights, literally like tights, and had a shiny fabric to it, which I don't like. So I couldn't even get these on properly to even show you. So a little bit gutted due to the fact they are a size 18, and they really only went up to my kneecap, so I couldn't even get them higher than my knee. So these are an absolute definite no. Then we have the hoodie. This is by Movet. It's called the Kaylee Cut and Sew Zip Up Hoodie. The colour's grey, the size is 16, and the cost is £38. Way overpriced for what it is. Yes, it's good quality. Yes, it's quite warm, but there's nothing different about it. It's a hoodie. It's not a keeper. Then we had the t-shirt, which was this. This is by Nine Britain. It's called the knot front knit top. The colour's dark grey, the size is large. This is £29 for a t-shirt, so you know that's a definite no as well. And finally we had these jeans. They again were by Thought. They're called the Essential Organic Cotton High Rise Jeans. The colour's indigo, the size is 18. These are £89.95. What planet do these people live on? So the whole box comes to £218.90. If you buy all 5, you get a 20% discount, which is £43.78. So the whole box would cost £175.12. There is no styling fee to come off this because I was actually sent this because my last box was so bad. This one is worse. This one's worse because I'm not even keeping anything. So a bit disappointed with it, unfortunately. That was it for this video. Don't forget to leave your thoughts, comments down below. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye for now. Bye. Much love. Bye.